morning, guys. We are in Houston, Minnesota right now for our camping trip for Memorial Day weekend. Right now we are making some breakfast, just shredded some cheese. We should go see what everybody else is doing outside. Let's go.
Where's the closest place to get the water?
Didn't shot.
I don't know if you should have taken anything out before you did this.
No, it's cooking some bacon. This is so cool because it just
it's
pulls
fine.
out.
It's fine.
You can just cook outside. It's pretty awesome. It's beautiful out today. We're going to go biking because Lanesboro has a really nice biking path. We're kind of by Lanesboro, I guess. Oh, there we go. There it is. Look at all the dogs around here. All the bikes. It's beautiful out here too. That's our view. So pretty. We're about to go biking.
About to go vlogging.
I'm vlogging. Put my hair up because it's really hot out right now. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's gonna be really nice out today, and we're going to go bike around the area, which will be a lot of fun. We're on the bike path. How far are we from where we're supposed to go? Somebody's coming.
4 miles.
4 miles we still have to go? Jeez. It's a long bike path. But it's really pretty. We're kind of like in the middle of the forest.
In front of this
It's
big
literally
old
like the forest.
tree. You don't have to get like.
But that's where we have been riding on this path. Ooh, lots of bugs.
Who's in that picture?
We made it back from our bike trip, and I think we went a total of 17 miles. Yeah, it was a lot. My legs are killing me. My butt is killing me because my seat hurts so bad. But we went from Houston, Minnesota to Rushford, Minnesota. So 17 miles total. So we went a little bit more than the there and back, so really exhausted. I think we're gonna have a bonfire tonight, so that should be fun. We're really tired because it was a lot of work, wasn't it? Was it a lot of work? No, it was a machine and just like going up those hills. My legs hurt so bad. But we ate at a nice little place called Stumpy's. There we go. And they had really good burgers. Noah had a burger and I had a Hawaiian chicken sandwich that was really good because it had pineapple and I love everything pineapple. And Noah, what did you have? You had a mushroom Swiss, right?
Oh,
No, oh right, he had the
cheeseburger,
you had the Stumpy burger. So that was pretty good. I mean, the patties were thick. They were really nice sized patties. But yeah, we're just gonna relax, hopefully have a campfire, and yeah, good day. Noah's playing lawn darts. What are you supposed to try to do?
Get by the white one.
Oh, get by the white one.
It's like dart bocce ball.
Oh, okay.
Lawn dart / bocce combo. If you want to play lawn darts, you have to get them in these rings.
Okay.
Oh, it's a lot bigger. Never mind.
What?
Never mind. It does get bigger.
Looks pretty
How do
big
you
to
get
me.
What the heck?